Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have reached Canada and such a beautiful vibe of FIFA is going on. I tell you, it's so much vibrant. I will be sharing the videos and the vibes of Canada.
Yeah, look at what David wrote. David wrote, here's my hand, historical reference, and yet there it is, written into the scriptures of the link.
Go Messi!
What is that?
I just need a jersey now for Thursday, but go Messi!
Are you looking for something to drink which is very healthy and very creamy, very tasty? I'll be sharing that recipe with you today. It is matcha smoothie and I'll be carrying this also mostly whenever we move out for long walks here. So I prefer to carry something from home, which could be a cup of coffee or any kind of smoothie for me and for my husband. That is something very relaxing. These are the ingredients. This is matcha powder, green leaves powder, and this is the frother. I'm using banana today for the smoothie, and let's start. The boiling water for matcha. Now we'll be taking 1 spoon of matcha, mixing it with hot water, I'll be using frother for mixing. To get good results, we need to have a absolutely smooth blend of matcha. These are green tea leaves, and it's a very healthy antioxidant drink. If you take it in the morning, this will be a good routine to follow because it gives you boost your energy. See, it's completely mixed well. To make the smoothie, I'll be using banana today for my drink, matcha drink, and pouring a cup full of milk. Let's blend this mixture. Pour all the banana and milk mixture and matcha according to your taste. It depends how much flavor of matcha do you want. Mine is little milder because I really enjoy the sweet and matcha flavor. You can make it with mango also. My matcha is ready. Smooth, creamy,